Is Latto actually guilty of photoshopping her Coachella crowd, or are people just trying to pull the rapper's name through the mud? What's up, guys, and welcome back to All Access Media. And in this video, we're going to talk about the controversy surrounding Latto's Coachella performance. Now, it seemed like she had a packed out massive crowd for it, but then there were some skeptics who suggested that maybe, just maybe, she had photoshopped her crowd to make it appear larger than what it was in real life. Latto posted this picture on Twitter and said Lattochella. Now, there was one photo in particular that everybody had their eye on, and it's the one with the crowd. So this is the photo that Latto posted, and if you look closely, you can see two sets of people inside the photo. So people were like, yeah, Latto most definitely photoshopped this picture. One Twitter user chimed in and said, delete this, they got your tea. Now another Twitter user also chimed in and said, the way she photoshopped these pics, I'm dying. Another user chimed in and said, time to hire a better graphic designer. Now Latto did respond to this and said, never photoshopped the crowd, LMAO. I expanded it so it would fit in my Instagram swipe without getting cut off, but it was clearly effed up, so I didn't end up using it and just posted the wrong version by accident on Twitter, babes. Next. Now a lot of people on social media feel like the social media detectives are coming for Latto because, you know, she dissed Nicki Minaj during her set at Coachella. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Do you believe what Latto is saying about the picture, that she didn't Photoshop it, she tried to expand it so it could fit on Instagram? Or do you feel like Latto is not telling the truth? Let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thanks for watching.